Let's get started.
All right, welcome back, you guys. Like I said, I was going to do my nails with you guys, and I have my little container over here. I have some nail stuff in here from the last time I did my nails. Like I said, y'all, I had to replace my nail drill, so I got this little tiny one here. I'll make sure I link this down below for you guys. This gel polish kit that I did unbox for you guys, I'll leave the video down below along with the links. It comes with this LED light. I will link everything down below, you guys. All my tools are clean, and I'm just using my tools I normally use. These wipes, these are lint-free nail wipes. I'll link these below because even though I'm linking them below, today's my first day using them. You guys, I got them from Amazon. It came in a 2-pack. So I will be utilizing these today. So I'm gonna just have that open. These are the shades. I just wanted to, have everything out here so you guys can see it again. I think I'm gonna go with this shade and do like a matte polish on top. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the top coat, but the top coat looks pretty good on here, but because I wanted to make sure I have enough for this whole set, I'm just gonna use my normal top coat from the brand that sent me products before, which is Madam Glam. I love this top coat. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. Now the tips I am using, or the press-ons I'll be using, will be these right here. I know you guys seen this brand around, okay? I will make sure I leave the link for this brand down below in the description box. I use this brand a lot, you guys, especially this shape here. I also have these. So pretty. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and use these press-ons. So you're gonna need a nail dehydrator. Okay, this is a 2-in-1 from Sally's. Anyone will work, or just wash your hands and use rubbing alcohol if you want to use that as a dehydrator. You're gonna need a nail primer, okay? I know mine says dip powder, but any nail primer will work, okay? All right. Nail glue. Need some brush-on glue, or the other glue that's traditional as well. I also like to use this Bond Aid. This is a pH balancing agent. I like to use this on my nails, and this actually helps me keep even my press-ons on for at least 3 weeks. So, yeah. Now we're gonna just jump right into it. I'm gonna play some music. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you're subscribed, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next one. Bye.